for repair? Any idea what I should do about it?
Oh, so you have a Hilti tool for repair? Madali lang yan. Just bring out your phone and I'll teach you how to do it. Click Select and choose the tool you want to repair. You can also select multiple tools if needed. After selecting the tool, click Repair. Hilti Tool Repair process in just 2 simple steps. Ensure the tool and its serial number are accurate. Describe the issue in the box. Under Repair Cost, choose Accept Repair Cost Limit or Set Own Repair Cost Limit or Request Code. Choose to package the tool either in the Hilti case or a cardboard box. If all details are correct, click Continue. Step number 2. Ensure the pickup address, pickup contact, and pickup date are accurate. Update info with change if needed. Verify the delivery address and contact details. Confirm the billing address and PIC for the payment process. Enter PO number or job site name. If all information is correct, check the Terms and Conditions box and click Submit Order. You will receive an email to track your tool repair process. Hilti offers Repair Time Promise. For NCR, repair is guaranteed within 3 days, and for provincials, it's 6 to 8 days for quotation-less repair. Hurry and download the Hilti Shop or Hilti On Track app today, or visit our website at hilti.com.ph.